On the road to portable modular nuclear energy, NANO Nuclear Energy is planning a 1 gigawatt feasibility study with Barup On LLC, a manufacturing company developing the 700 1-acre Liberty American multi-sourced power, lamp, and innovation hub in Liberty, Texas. The study will evaluate deploying multiple Kronos MMR microreactors directly on-site to supply dedicated, emission-free baseload power for LAMP's AI, high-performance computing, advanced manufacturing, and defense technology operations. Barup will fund the assessment and has signaled willingness to co-invest in reactor construction, pending successful results. Both companies emphasized that AI infrastructure growth is sharply outpacing U.S. grid capacity. Barupon's leadership stated that microreactors may be the only viable path to maintaining operational continuity as GPU-driven workloads surge. The Kronos MMR, a high-temperature, triso-fueled, helium-cooled microreactor, can be deployed modularly, scaling from individual units to gigawatt-class clusters, aligning with the site's long-term energy strategy. NANO Nuclear views this project as a template for future multi-reactor data center campuses nationally, as the industry faces interconnection bottlenecks, carbon reduction mandates, and unprecedented baseload requirements. More recent progress has seen NNE complete full system testing of its proprietary annular linear induction pump, ALIP, at 350 degrees Celsius, validating coil ruggedization, insulation upgrades, and magnetic performance enhancements. The ALIP is designed for long-life thermal management in molten salt and liquid metal reactor systems, especially where maintenance is impossible, such as space or subsea environments. Conducted with a robotics company, the tests confirm durability gains and support progression into pre-commercialization. Additional quality control processes, including precision laser welding and 3D magnetic field mapping, were also validated, enabling scalable, consistent manufacturing. Leadership highlighted that ALIP's advancement underscores NANO Nuclear's ability to move technologies from design to field validation efficiently. Though with data centers projected to double electricity consumption within the decade, NNE is positioning itself as one of the few North American reactor developers capable of meeting the sector's urgent demand for reliable, carbon-free power. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. See you next time.